So you have a leaking oil pan on a BMW X5 E70 with the N52 engine. The costly repair to fix this is off the roof. The entire suspension needs to come down, hours and hours of labor just to fix a $50 gasket. The most likely cause of the leak comes from the right side of the oil pan as the engine leans more right. As you examine the oil pan, you will notice that the front axles run through the pan and the supports are held up by the oil pan bolts. The bolts are made from aluminum, and they tend to stretch over time, and trying to tighten them will only stretch them more. This is what I come up with to solve many hours of labor time and money. Get access to as many oil pan bolts as you can, preferably the right side of the engine, but the more the better. Remove them one by one and replace the aluminum bolts with steel bolts, and don't forget to replace the long bolts in the center that holds up the axles and the long bolts at the rear of the pan. How this works is you are now giving more torque to the bolts, squeezing the gasket. The oil pan gasket is made from aluminum wrapped with an outer layer of rubber. Adding steel bolt squeezes that aluminum, giving it that tight seal. For every E70 I've done this to, it completely stopped the leak, but your results may vary due to how bad the pan gasket is. Try this method first before you dump hours of time in emptying your pocketbook. This just took less than $30 worth of bolts in 30 minutes to do. I have put the bolt sizes in the description below. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.